Okay.
So as last class we had discussed, we shall continue.
Yes,
Uh,
Didi.
yeah, so we were here in in the second page. Now, as Germans and Americans tensely rubbed elbows in the small room, Mother was really on her mettle. Never losing her smile, she tried to find a seat for everyone. We had only 3 chairs, but Mother's bed was big, and on it she placed two of the newcomers side by side with Jim and Robin. So, this I had explained in the last class. Now, we'll continue the third page. Despite the strained atmosphere, Mother went right on preparing dinner. But Herman wasn't going to grow any bigger, and now there were 4 more mouths to feed. Quick, she whispered to me, get more potatoes and some oats. These boys are hungry, and a starving man is an angry one. So, what does this paragraph tell? Despite the strained atmosphere, that means the weather, the climatic condition during that Christmas day was not good. Though the climate was not good, mother started preparing dinner. But now, पहले कितने आदमी थे? पहले
तीन आदमी।
पहले 3 आदमी थे, ठीक है? अभी और 4 आदमी आ गए, तो 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 people
Yes.
plus the mother and the son. 9 people were there. So now the dinner was becoming, the food what she was preparing became less because there were 4 more people which were added. So what did the mother tell to the son? Go get more potatoes and some oats. I'll have to prepare dinner because these all these soldiers are hungry, and people who are hungry become angry. Okay, whenever you are
हाँ
hungry,
दीदी।
you might feel no that I'm feeling hungry, and then you become a little angry on yourself, on whomever you find, because you're hungry. Then, while foraging in the storage room, I heard Harry moan. When I returned, one of the Germans had put on his glasses to inspect the American's wound. Do you belong to the medical corps? Mother asked him. No, he answered, but I studied medicine at Heidelberg until a few months ago. Thanks to the cold, he told the Americans in what sounded like fairly good English. Harry's wound hadn't become infected. He is suffering from a severe loss of blood. He explained to mother. What he needs is rest and nourishment. I hope you can see the screen.
Yes,
Okay.
दीदी।
Yeah. So what happened was, um, this son went to the storeroom and he was searching for potatoes and all the other stuff which the mother told to bring. Okay. Then he heard something in the room, what where all the people were sitting. He saw one German soldier. He put on his glasses, specs, and he was looking at the wounded man. वो जो American soldier जिसको चोट लग गई थी ना, he was inspecting it. He was inspecting all the wounds कि कहाँ कहाँ लगी है, कि actually ये है क्या, कैसे ठीक होगा. The enemy was the enemy country's army was inspecting. Okay, matlab they were they were They started caring for each other during that time. But that time, the mother asked this German soldier who was inspecting the American's wound, do you belong to the medical corps? मतलब आप medical department से belong करते हो क्या? उसने बोला no, but I studied medicine at Heidelberg. मतलब उसने मेडिसिन के बारे में पढ़ाई की है, ठीक है? Then फिर that German soldier told, thank God it is a cold weather. His wound will not get infected. उसको इतना सारा ब्लड लॉस हो रहा है, तो उसको ठीक करना है. उसको क्या चाहिए? खाली रेस्ट चाहिए और नरिशमेंट मीन्स केयर, लाइक फूड टाइम पे, वाटर टाइम पे, ऑल दैट स्टफ. समझ में आ गया ये पैराग्राफ?
हाँ दीदी.
वेरी गुड. देन relaxation was now beginning to replace suspicion. अब क्या हुआ? सस्पिशन का मतलब क्या है?
हाँ दीदी. Suspicion दीदी.
Yeah, sit straight. What do you mean by suspicion?
Relaxation was now beginning of replace suspicion. दीदी नहीं पता दीदी.
मतलब अभी शक करना. अभी कौन सा सोल्जर रेस्ट कर रहा था?
हैरी.
हाँ, ठीक है.
अमेरिकन सोल्जर.
तो अभी उसके ऊपर उसके ऊपर सस्पेक्ट हो रहे थे. Even to me, all the soldiers looked very young as we sat there together. Haynes and Willie, both from Cologne, were 16. The German corporal at 23 was the oldest of them all. From his food bag, he drew out a bottle of red wine, and Haynes managed to find a loaf of rye bread. Mother cut that in small pieces to be served with the dinner. Half the wine, however, she put away for the wounded boy. Okay, so these two people, Haynes and Willie, they were very young. Okay, all the soldiers in the room, they were very young at age. Some were 16, some were 23, some were 15, some were 18. Okay, this was their age. Okay.
Yes दीदी.
Then mother said grace. I know. Before that, then what happened? One of the soldier, in his bag he had red wine. Okay, so he took out that red wine, and the other soldier had bread. So he took out the bread from his bag, and then the mother cut the bread into small pieces and served the wine also, and she kept half half of the wine and the bread for Harry, who was wounded. Okay.
Yes दीदी.
सो नहीं रहे हो ना सुबह सुबह?
No दीदी.
Okay. Then mother
मेरे
said
को तो ये स्टोरी बहुत पसंद आ रही है दीदी.
then mother said grace. I noticed that
दीदी
there
मैं पढ़ूं?
हाँ पढ़ो.
Okay दीदी. Thank you दीदी. Just before midnight, mother went to the doorstep.
sleepy beauty. कहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हो? यहाँ से पढ़ो.
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा. Then mother said grace. I noticed that there were tears in the eyes as she said the old familiar words. Comb her Jesus. दीदी क्या लिखा है दीदी? KOMM
Comb
HERR.
her Jesus. comb
हाँ
her.
बराबर बोला. Gomer, Jesus, be our guest. And as I looked around the table, I saw tears too in the eyes of the battle worldly soldiers. Boys again, some from America, some from Germans, all far from all far from home.
So what
Just before
happened?
midnight, Mawya went to the doorstep and asked
Enough.
us to. Acha dekhi.
So what happened was, as the mother, she was looking around everyone. What she noticed was there was guest at her home. Okay, and this made her happy. And these were not normal guests. They were soldiers, and that too they were of different countries. They were enemies. Some were Americans and some were from Germany. And they all were far away from home. So she was happy that she had guests at her home during the Christmas day. Okay. Calm her Jesus. This is in French. Okay. French language. Situate. Just before midnight, Just before midnight, Mother went to the doorstep and asked us to join her to look up at the star of Bethlehem. We all stood beside her except Harry, who was sleeping. For all of us, during that moment of silence, looking at the brightest star in the heavens, the war was a distant, almost forgotten thing. Wow. Now see what happens here. It was midnight during 12, 1 o'clock. Everyone were wishing each other Christmas, a Merry Christmas. So what happened was this mother, no, she called all the people near the main door, and she told everyone, see, look at the sky of, see, that star of Bethlehem. Bethlehem is a place, okay? It is a
दीदी
place.
रियल में दीदी
What?
रियल में दीदी.
Yes, Bethlehem is a place in Israel where Jesus was born. Okay.
Okay दीदी.
Then what happened? Everyone came and stood next to the mother except for Harry because he was wounded and he was sleeping. Then there was silence because everyone looking at the stars in the sky. And then what did everyone realize? That everyone has forgotten that war is happening and they are peacefully living with each other, with their enemy. Correct?
Yes दीदी.
Then our private armistice continued next morning. Harry woke up in early hours and swallowed some broth that mother fed him. With the dawn, it was apparent that he was becoming stronger. Mother now made him an invigorating drink from our one egg, the rest of the corporal's wine, corporal's wine, and some sugar. Everyone else had oatmeal. Afterward, two poles and mother's best tablecloth were fashioned into a stretcher for Harry. So what happened the next morning? Okay, uh, Harry woke up. Okay, after he woke up, he had his meal because he didn't have anything last night. So the mother fed him some food. Okay, and
Yes
other
दीदी.
people they had oats. Then
Okay दीदी.
yeah, then what happens? We'll see. The corporal then advised the Americans how to find their way back to their lines. Looking over Jim's map, the corporal pointed out a stream. Continue along this creek, he said, and you will find the First Army rebuilding its forces on its upper course. The medical student relayed the information in English. So, who is this corporal? Who is this corporal?
Corporal. Didi, he's the German soldier.
Very good. He was, yeah, correct. He belonged to the German army. So he was advising the American soldier how to go, where to go. Okay.
Yeah, Didi.
Yeah. So he was showing the map on how you are supposed to go, from where you're supposed to go. He was guiding.
Yes, Didi.
Yeah. So he was telling it in the, I think, in the German language, but the medical student, no, he was translating it into English. Then what happened? Why don't we head for Monschau? Jim had asked the student. Jim had the student ask. Nein. Nein means no. The corporal exclaimed. We have retaken Monschau. Now, mother gave them all back their weapons. Okay, one second, Divya. Now, mother gave them all back their weapons. Be careful, boys, she said. I want you to get home someday where you belong. God bless you all. The German and American uh, soldiers shook hands and we watched them disappear in opposite directions. So what happened? It was a new day, okay, after Christmas, and all what all fights were happening, the war which was happening, no, it was over, and then the mother gave all the weapons to the soldiers whom it belonged to, and then she told everyone, "Be careful, please go to your home. I want you to reach your home safely." Okay, God bless you all. That's what she told. And then both the country soldiers, the Germans and the American soldiers, they shook hands and they moved in opposite directions. One went in left, other went in right direction. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, Didi.
Now, when I returned inside, mother had brought out the old family Bible. I glanced over her shoulder. The book was open to the Christmas story, the birth in the manger, and how the wise men came from afar bearing their gifts. Her finger was tracing the last line of Matthew 2.
क्या हुआ दीदी?
Her finger was tracing the last line from Matthew 2 is to 12 is to, and so on. They departed into their own country another way. So the story, what happened, no, the similar kind of story was found in the Bible, which the mother had. Okay,
Yes, Didi.
and this is the story. That's it. So they moved, they went back to their countries. All the soldiers. This was happened. So this story
Okay, Didi.
was written by whom? Fritz Winkel. Truce in the
एक
Forest,
second.
written by Fritz Winkel.
मैं
So,
लिख लेता हूँ.
so this was the story.